Bring it back.
Buongiorno,
Buongiorno,
Pantere,
Pantere.
and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sofia.
And my name is Nelson. It's an astonishing day to be a Panther.
In sports news, our boys basketball team will play Timber Creek today. This is an away game.
Junior varsity plays at 6:15, and the varsity game will begin at 7:15.
Our girls basketball team will play Mel High today. This is a home game. Come out and support our Lady Panthers.
Junior varsity plays at 5:30, and the varsity game will begin at 7.
And let's not forget our wrestling team. The varsity team is traveling today to compete against Hernando High School in Brooksville.
Good luck to our Panther teams today.
Panther, it's time for some holiday cheer. Please see the list of our 12 days of holiday dress-up days.
The 12 days of holiday dress has started and will continue through December 22nd.
Take the weekend to plan next week's outfits so you can join the staff and teachers in this festive event.
Next week's themes are Monday, holiday movie character, Tuesday, dress like a present, Wednesday, snowman day, Thursday, holiday PJ day, and Friday is Santa day.
Panthers, are you interested in playing tennis? There will be a tennis meeting next Thursday, December 14th, for anyone who is interested in trying out for the boys or girls tennis teams.
The meeting will be from 3:40 and to 4 o'clock in the room 6113. If you have any questions, please see Coach Edwards.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!